update. Neha continues to be with us. Whether the Karnataka government has also pulled on the BCCI to fix responsibility for the Bengaluru stampede. Now, the Advocate General for the state has told the Karnataka High Court that there was an agreement between the RCB and the BCCI regarding gate management, ticket management and security at the stadium. Now, the Advocate General says that the responsibility for the stampede lies with the parties to agreement. Well, that is another point, Neha, that has now been raised, because at the time when the stampede was reported, and then we had a word with the IPL chairman saying that this was not clearly a BCCI event, as there was no BCCI official who was present at the felicitation ceremony. Then how can they absolve themselves? Because here the AG is saying that the BCCI too is responsible.
Well, precisely what we pointed out earlier, Meeta, the blame game here continues, when it came to taking credit for the victory, when it came to taking credit for that felicitation event and, smiling, of course, at the cameras there, flaunting, the trophy there with the RCB team, you had all of our Netas standing right in front, of course, smiling and celebrating. But now when it comes to taking responsibility, really, the state government here, of course, has said that the BCCI also should be held responsible. The Advocate General there, Shashi Kiran Shetty, in court, in fact, has gone on to suggest that the BCCI too must now step up and take responsibility for this. On day one of the stampede, when it happened, when we had our colleague Karishma, in fact, speaking with the BCCI as well, they said that they'll really have to look into what's transpired and then have to answer those questions that were asked of them. But now the court here, of course, clearly seeming like it's not going to be letting anybody really walk out without taking responsibility, whether this is to do with the BCCI, the KSCA, the state government, the Bengaluru police or others.
All right. The blame game, however, continues as far as what's been happening in courts, the arguments that have been taking place. The Karnataka government also mentions the BCCI to fix responsibility for the Bengaluru stampede that claimed 11 lives. The Advocate General for the state, who is representing the state, telling the court that there was an agreement between the RCB and the BCCI regarding security and management. The blame game, however,